Friday. It's Aloha Friday. And conservative today. The LeBrons. Just got a pickup from Foot Locker. Got some eateries there. You can see it's pretty sunny. You got all these different directions. And most of you guys in places. You guys got Smoothie King. We got Jumbo Juice. Gonna go ahead and give me a smoothie. All of that good stuff. And let's see what happens. Alright, my good people, it's Emoneyshoes. I'm back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is misting rain a little bit here. Just a little. People like, yeah, right. I'd like to welcome all my new family members to my channel, my continued family members to the channel. Thank you for checking me out. Stay on the lookout, like I said, for the new show, Who Has the Heat Sneaker Battles, which will be coming to you next weekend. Now, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and please watch the entire video. All right, that's why I keep it short, so you can keep it short, sweet, and simple. With all the drops that came out today, you know, we always team late over here, so I did a little reach back. Got the Foot Locker bag, or a little thing here if you got Jumbo Juice, smoothies. Gotta try the Captain Crunch, especially for those of you who like peanut butter. See here, y'all already know I'm not always Team Jordan every time. So as you can see here on the box, PG3 NASA, women's 12, men's 10.5, 120, Fisher colorway, total orange, black. Suggested retail price, 120 of them things. It's quick strike, dope box though. Paul George got all this astronautical stuff on. Got the Palmdale, all that stuff. Very dope. Always good when you have these collabs. You see, you got these stickers here, stamp, paper, and you got this GS pair of kicks. You know how you always go into the store and you see the shoes, and you don't think they're gonna move you. So let's just let them get their little 5 minutes of fame or 5 seconds of fame, like so, before we jump into the dope review. All right, now as you can see here, you got this Zoom pod here in red, and you got the signature there with black. This shoe is very, very comfy. I was very surprised as far as this shoe. Now you go in the toe box, you got like this battle net or mesh, and then you got like this fake leather. I don't know if it's actual leather. It feels weird. Then you got your orange laces with the black. I mean, there's a lot going on, just like NASA. A lot of different colors. You got the blue, you got red, you got the black pudding, you got your PG coming up here with the pull tab. On this side, you got 93552. That's the Palmdale area code. You got the black swoosh there. And then you got this on the midsole, the like metallic like color. Then you said, don't tell me the sky's the limit when there are footprints on the moon. So take that for what it's worth. You already know this is like the astronauts, pretty much similar to the material that they wear when they flying up and all bouncing all over the place in the air. On the back, you got NASA. You got material. The stitching is really good. You got PG right here. On the medial side, you got, would have been good, dope, really dope, but they had this stitched in, but it's kind of like overlay nonetheless. And then you got your little thing like a fast forward here. You can see that it's etched in there. Right there, like so. And inside you got NASA 2 in Alabama. Got that Huntsville Space Center, which is very interesting, very dope. The best thing I liked from that place was the ice cream. Then you got here on this shoe, you got this little tab. It says remove before flight, which is dope. See its area code on there as well. I mean, not area code, sorry, zip code. I don't know if I said area code earlier, it's a zip code. Get it together in this video. Then you got the flag. So basically you got the flag, and then you got this. This is what the, thank you. And these are the things you have here on your astronaut shoes. They're not astronaut shoes. I gotta edit this out. I got it. Things you have here on your astronaut flight suit. Then you see you got Apollo 15 in the back. If you haven't seen that movie Apollo, I haven't seen it. Maybe I had to go watch it now, so I got something to reference. And on this one, you can see the pod is blue versus the other one is red. Inside of the shoe, this one has NASA as well, like so. So I think this is a pretty decent collab. I actually like it. It's better in person than when you see it on the pics. Very, very dope shoe in my opinion. I know it's got different strokes for different folks. But if you see, I have reviewed bright shoes in the past, and this will just go with the other bright shoes that I have. I like all of this stuff. Like I said, this shoe is very nice and comfy. On a Litty Lit meter, I give this about a 4.4 out of 5. Not bad, not bad at all. 4.4 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think below in the comment suggestion. Was a no-look pass? Would it be a reach back? These are quick strikes, so no discount on these shoes. So probably pretty much when they're gone, they're gone. I changed my mind on the BHM 2s after seeing them in hand. They were no bueno. So enough of that talking. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thank everybody supporting Emoneyshoes channel, and I'm out. Peace.